Oh, you know you want to turn that into a Roomba, don't you, Meep? Well, you can, because I've actually made a CAD class for you, teaching you how to do some things here in Fusion 360 to get you up and running, making some assemblies. You can check it out in the link in the description below. What was that, Meep? People are going to complain if the video isn't longer? Alright, well then how about an update for you? I've got my pandemic hair going on here, extra long. And just to let you know, yes, this 3D printer, this big old one right here, has pretty much been completely finalized. Matter of fact, I've got the CAD class just about done for that one too, right over there. The last time you saw this thing was in its much larger format over here, which still exists. I've just kind of parted it out a little bit in favor of something that can actually fit on the table. But the last thing that we made, can you guys remember? Can you think of it? It was the algae deoxidizer. Yeah, that project. That was pretty cool. I think I've also seen some other people make some of those as well. Files for you, in case you're wondering, you can absolutely download that. Have fun with it. Same sort of thing with this one as well. It's pretty cool. And if you have some other designs for me that you really want to see, let me know, because I think it's kind of a cool project recreating some of these props. And I even have a whole scheme of how I'm going to size them correctly. Look, I gotta stop giving myself more projects and finish something. I gotta sleep. I haven't stopped working for weeks. I don't know. When was the last time I was outside? I'm going crazy. Sorry. I know you guys just want to see videos. Just in case you guys are wondering, yes, the new thing you guys you actually did a questionnaire over here for the next Oxygen Not Included series. I've got a really cool plan for you. It's going to be awesome. I almost don't want to spoil it. But it is vanilla, and it is modded. Think about that. I'm going to be recording it this week, not working on the classes, because I've done nothing but work on classes for months, weeks. Video game time. That's going to happen. In case you're wondering, I am curious about that. Wow. Things I'm curious about. Questions I got for you. One, what do you guys think about stuff like this? Like, I know I get a lot of questions from people of saying, "Hey, can you make me one? Can I buy one from you?" And the real question is like, okay, yeah, but for how much? So I'm curious to know if this is something that you guys like actually want. There's going to be, I guess, a questionnaire down below. If it is something that you want, and like, how much would you actually pay for it? Because, you know what I mean? If it takes me an hour and I only make like $3, it's kind of hard to justify. But if I make 100 of them, I don't know. Like maybe that's a Kickstart or whatever thing. Curious about that. I always get a lot about that. Let me show you something cool about this printer. Sorry, this is the most scattered video ever. Check this out. So the tool holder is probably the coolest thing about this. So if I go like this and disconnect the part cooling fans down here, I can actually just take the hot end out like that. So if I have a different nozzle size, I can pretty much just get rid of this one. Usually it takes more than one hand. There we go. No. And then I can take another one like this, which is a 2-to-1 unit, and just plop. Just like that. That's pretty cool. But as you can see, I've got a few 3D printers and I might as well put them to good use. So, yeah. And I'm also looking to teach you guys CAD so that you guys can put your 3D printers to good use. In case you don't already know how to do that. Or, if you're looking to do more engineering stuff, looking to go back to college, maybe your first robotics student, you got a need for more complicated stuff, that's what the whole CAD class for the 3D printer is about. I'm going to go. I'll see you again soon. Have a wonderful day, guys. Stay awesome. Peace. Brothgar out.